So last time we just got the key press client in. We didn't quite finish because we couldn't work out why key presses aren't showing. But we'll have a look at that now. But what I actually did was we started up the key press client here, but it's concatenated with the letter producer, and because the letter producer does not complete, it never gets to start the key press client. So we shouldn't be concatenating these, we should merge them instead. Then they're not one after another, they're simultaneous. So we start both clients up. That should fix that little bug. So let's press some keys. Yeah, all the keys done. So next thing to do is start adding gameplay. In order to add gameplay, we've got this last key press, which is a string. We really want character. And we probably want to rename it if we can. Okay. So we've got here last character. Oh no, let's make it nil. And then we want to display character. I'm going to upgrade to a string, and that's going to be last character, wrapping it. If that doesn't work, we've got empty. So that's what we want to display. We need that. I am maintaining these previews because I think I'm going to want them for tests, but I'm not really sure at the moment. So interesting. That's that. Right. So we've got a character, which is essentially our weapon, ammo, if you like, and we're going to fire it and it kills off the front. So if the first letter is equal to So we've got some letters. And let's just remove the first. And then this is the gameplay. So if I type U, I kill the U. R, K, Z, X, I, E. So already a little bit of a game here. If I press the wrong letter, it doesn't work. I have to get the leading letter. Okay, I'm quite so is this a good now we need some Jeopardy and we need a score and we need increasing difficulty. So the Jeopardy is going to be the letters are going to attack your base, which is your last letter. So if we have nothing, I think I want to do something here. I'm just going to put a bar, if I can find it on my keyboard. So we've always got something. And just put a space between them now. We should really put this in a frame so it's a certain width. And we should use a mono font maybe. Sure there's a way of getting the fonts to be mono. Design. System. Make it bold and black. The attackers are going to be smaller, not black. Let's see what that looks like. And I guess this could be cool to have previews doing this. So the idea is stop the letters getting to your face. We're doing for time. 10 minutes left. Right. Let's add in some scoring. It's another H stack. And we need a score to keep tabs on in a state. Not a case, state. Pretty sure we can start that at 0 by default. And then we can increment it every time we hit a letter. So here. Plus equal. And then we can draw it here. Don't know what that's about. Whoops, that doesn't mean anything. Right, let's run that. So, scoring. Part of the reason I've written this is because I've got this new keyboard, orthogonal keyboard that I'm learning to use. But I've also noticed that even though I've been typing on keyboards for 40 plus years, I still look down. It's now a habit, even though I know where the keys are. I look down when I type. I'm going to stop that, so there is going to be a feature in this game to prevent that. Okay, but now we've got a base being attacked by a string of letters. We can kill the first one off. We need to increase the speed, as in Space Invaders, I guess. So, and that is going to be a words per minute count. So, I'm going to have a words per minute. Just going to be an integer. It needs to have a start of something. It's not 0. 10. It's pretty easy. Should be. And then we need to do a time interval between letters. That's going to be a time interval. So we've got to get that into seconds. So words per minute, and we know equals, actually equals 4.7 in English. And this is English at the moment. Mean letters per word. So we take words per minute, times it by, so words per minute times it by and divide it by 60. Of course, this needs to be double. I suppose we could just make it double. And somehow we need to sort this out. So we put this together pretty fast, but now we need to kind of do something more with it. And we need to take and then I'm going to make myself a static. So make a client, which is a letter producer. Then we're going to adapt it by adding valid implementations. We're going to return client here and execute like that. So, and we need to keep hold of the subscriber. First of all, we need to change this to take a time interval. We need to be able to change the time interval, so it's going to be a bit like that. Going to do change Okay, time's up. So next time, so I'll just finish this bit, obviously. Next time, we will implement change time interval. And I'll just leave it there. See you next round.